Many people ask, how am I doing? I say, blessed and highly favored. And it's by grace that I woke up. Many people don't have that opportunity. Why I'm saying, currently there's people that got a phone call. My son did not make it in hospital. There's one person that get that phone call that your son is being rushed to ICU. There's that people that get a phone call to say that your son is about to go to prison. Your daughter is about to commit suicide. She's about to take her life. There's a mother crying and saying, Lord, what do I do? Lord, I count it a godly privilege that I'm still alive. I'm here to tell that mother and that daughter, that son, do not go the way the world's going, but you stay positioned and you stay focused on what God has put upon your life, the promises of God. Do not look to the left, do not look to the right. Bad friends corrupt your future. I'm here to say again, bad friends corrupt your future because the devil knows what you're going to do in the future. The devil knows what you're capable of. The reason why the Lord allowed the stuff to take place in your life is because He's here to teach you something. He's here to teach you patience. He's here to teach you endurance. He's here to teach you something. Come on, somebody. There's that mother that just got a phone call. I don't know what to do. I feel like life is getting too much. I feel like throwing in a towel. I'm here to tell somebody, do not do that. Stay focused. Life can be how difficult. Life can be how. But know your identity in Christ. And this will not be your portion. Fear will not be your portion. Killing will not be your portion. Going where you should not go will not be your portion. I'm here to tell you. Your portion is life and life in abundance. I'm here to encourage and I'm here to tell somebody. Life is not the way you should think it is. But have that mentality, like I always say, have the victorious mentality, not a defeated mentality. People can say a lot of things, but you know who you are in Christ and you know your identity. Come on, somebody. I'm here to tell you and I'm here to encourage you. Many people always want to follow the crowd, and at the end of the day, you will stand for the thing that you did. We live like our decisions, but we die without choices. I'm here to encourage somebody. Do not follow them. Stand strong. The Lord is in control. May everybody who's watching this be blessed with it. I'm not here to make my name great. I'm here to make Jesus Christ's name great because He saved me. If it has not been for Him, I would have been dead. If it has not been for Him, I would have been in a different environment. But I counted a godly privilege. So, may God be blessed.